Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today I messed around with a load of commands and created some OP items, as you can see. This is a tutorial on how to build them. Before we get into the video, can you whack that like button to boost me towards better content? Come on guys, just whack it like that. Okay, so what you want to do is type /execute if entity at p brackets nbt equals curly bracket selected item colon curly bracket id colon speech marks Minecraft colon diamond underscore sword, then close the speech marks, 2 curly brackets, and then a normal bracket, and put on repeat and needs redstone. Then put a lever on the side and take a comparator. Well, you should see that once you've turned the machine on and you hold a diamond sword, it will say test succeeded, count 1. Put a comparator there, and once you've turned it on and hold a diamond sword, it will light up, but keep it on needs redstone. And as you can see, the comparator lights up. Then some redstone dust with an observer and a sticky piston facing forwards with a downwards facing observer like that, and another observer block in front and a block above. Then 2 blocks out from that observer is a command block that says /effect give XP Master Panda or your name levitation 1 2. Repeat and needs redstone. Then a comparator, a repeater on 4 ticks. Then another command block with /effect give your name slow falling 5 2, and repeat and needs redstone. Then if you hold the sword and it's off, it's fine. Then you flick it on, you start to fly. Oh my, I've just forgotten. You need to for this. You need to type the command /game rule command block output false, and it won't show up in chat. As you can see, the air sword is now functional. For the next build, what you need to do is place 2 command blocks like that with /execute at e type equals Minecraft colon arrow. Then close the bracket and type /run tp your name, promptly misses it, your name, and then tilde, and set it to repeat, and then needs redstone. Then you don't need that command block. Then if you put a lever on it, I just switched the sword, hang on. Right, put a lever on it. Don't need that lever. And then get a bow. I'm in creative, so I have infinite arrows, but this works in survival. As you can see, it's off, so nothing happens. But wherever I shoot the bow, I fly with the arrow, which is pretty cool. Whee! Next up, you want to type /execute if block entity xb master your name or at e nbt equals selected selected item colon curly bracket id and then Minecraft. Oh yeah, I just forgot a curly bracket there. So curly bracket there, then selected item colon curly brackets id colon and then speech marks Minecraft blaze colon blaze underscore rod and then close off the speech marks and then all the brackets and repeat. Needs redstone. Then we'll do a lot of the same thing we did with the air sword. So comparator, redstone dust, an observer up with a sticky piston, and then a downwards facing observer, like that, and then an observer ahead and up one, and then this time a solitary command block on top, and type in /execute at your name, or in my case XB Master Panda, then if block tilde -1 tilde air run set block tilde -1 tilde dirt, then repeat and needs redstone and press done. And then as soon as you turn it on, whenever there's air beneath you, it'll set the block to be dirt, so you can like run around and gob bridge so long as you're holding it, which is pretty cool. So for this, place 2 command blocks like that. Make sure they're pointing in this direction. Then you type in /execute at e type equals trident or Minecraft trident, then close the brackets or comma nbt equals curly brackets in ground colon 1b close the bracket or close the curly brackets, then the big brackets, then run summon Minecraft TNT tilde fuse curly brackets fuse colon 0 and then end the curly brackets. Then you put it on repeat. Needs redstone. Then press done. And then this, turn it to conditional and chain, or unconditional, and then put /kill at e brackets type equals trident. That should be good. Always active. Oh, it's not working. Hang on. Turn it to conditional. Oh, hang on. Turn it to conditional. So, oh man, I just cannot turn things to conditional. Right, as I said, if you turn it to conditional and actually make it work like I should, and don't, there we go, the TNT trident. And of course you can change the fuse so it will make it'll summon the actual TNT like flashing and stuff before it explodes instead of an insta explosion. Oh man, it just blasted the lever and the piston off this thing. Just put the piston back. Just like that. Oh man, I'm holding this. Let me just grapple down. Just flick that on because it's the earth rod and we want that on. For this one, I'm going to put down a repeating command block with /execute at sorry, destroy that. /execute if entity, and then we'll do the checking for selected item command. So brackets NBT. Not NVT, NBT. Then curly brackets, selected item, colon, curly brackets, ID, colon, and then some speech marks, Minecraft, snowball, then close all that off. Right, and then repeat and needs redstone, that's fine. And then we need a comparator, and then we take an output from that, and if that is true, then we do /summon /execute at xbmasterpanda, or your name, run summon Minecraft Fireball, Minecraft colon Fireball, tilde 1 tilde. I can't type. Set that to impulse and needs redstone. And then we'll add more to this with a particle command. So put a lever on that, then get out a snowball. And you'll notice that as soon as you hold it, you need to turn it on first, and as soon as you hold it, it'll summon a fireball that's stationary, and as soon as you whack it, it'll fly in the direction that you hit it. Right? But that's a bit boring. That's yeah, so let's add some more to this. So put down another repeating command block and set this one to always active, which I'll do later, and /execute at e type equals Minecraft Fireball, or just Fireball, like that. Close the brackets off. Then particle, run particle Minecraft explosion, explosion, tilde tilde tilde, 0 0 0 1 not 2 0. And then you could put it as needs redstone and just have like a torch or a lever, but I prefer it as always active. And then, as you can see, it has this really cool particle effect. So for these OP boots, you put in the command that I'll put in the description, as it's very long. And then you take a comparator out. This is going to like extend long. So then you get, once you've got that comparator, you need a redstone dust. I don't know why it took me that long to find that. And you put it there. And then, hang on, let me just check something. Hang on. Thinking hard right now, my two brain cells rubbing together. Gears turning. Think I've got it? Right, got it. So I think you put in /attribute at p generic dot max health. I think max underscore health base, and then base set 40, and this will actually set it so we have an extra row of hearts when we put the boots on. Now what you could do is you could take like a comparator output from the command block and put and turn the comparator so that it that one at the end is on it's turned on so that it'll take the inverse output, and then so like when you're not wearing the boots, it sets your health to be 20, which is what it usually is instead of 40. But right, so on with the thing. You put a repeater and then an observer with a sticky piston, and then another observer facing that way, and then an observer facing that way with a repeating command block that /effect give XP Master Panda, or your name, Minecraft speed. Then you put in 1 3. So this I forgot to press done when I pasted that command. So let me just paste it again and press done. So let me just put a lever on that. Let me just get some diamond boots out. Right. And then put them on. And then as soon as I turn the machine on, it'll give me speed because it detected that I've got diamond boots on. And as soon as I turn it off and wait a second, Oh, hang on. Yeah, you have to like take the boots off before you turn it off, because otherwise it'll like. There you go. So it's on, but I've taken the boots off. If I go into game mode survival, if you didn't know, you can press like F3 and F4 to do this as well. As you can see, I've got an extra row of hearts, but if I was in like survival mode when I put them on, then it would also like the extra set of hearts would appear. And I do that. Oh man, I've just put on the air sword. Right, game mode creative. Stop putting on the air sword. Just grapple hook down. And that's the thing, with all of these, you can just turn them off, which is pretty sick. Right, so now we've got these OP boots. Right, and it should be testing as long as the lever is on. Right. Slash give XP master pan. No. Don't know what I was trying to do there. Okay, this is like a little roundup summarization slash demonstration. So that's the air sword, then the grappling gun, that's one of my favourites. Admit then, and I overshoot by miles. Land. And go bridge, man. Explosion. I don't know if you noticed there, but you could see the TNT there for like half a second. As I said, that's what the Fuse Zero does. And then the OP Fireball. I think there's a command that you can do to like make the explosion. What the heck? It just went through the block. There's a command that you can do where you set the fireball explosion to be bigger. But yeah, there's the fireball. Then you put on slash game mode survival, and then you put on the boots. Super speed. Take them off, the speed disappears. And remember guys, you can only do this in creative before turning on survival, because you can't use command blocks in survival. It just doesn't work. You can try it, it just doesn't work. It's game mode creative. Right, that's it for today's video guys. Hope you had an awesome time, and yeah, goodbye and peace.